Hi guys, today I'm gonna unbox several items from Hermes. Extremely excited. I want to share my opinion on some of these items. Please stay with me. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back. My name is Oxana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today, everything about Hermes. I have several items to share with you. Extremely excited. I'm not gonna beat around the bushes. I'm gonna start right away with unboxing, but it was actually an actual visit to Hermes boutique because obviously we were in the lockdown for a very long time, and finally the boutique were open, and I was so happy to physically go inside the boutique and did some kind of shopping. Very happy. I'm gonna also update you on the news with my essay, but let's just one thing at a time. So let's start it. Obviously the proof of purchase, and I'm gonna keep it somewhere over there, and I have several items to share with you. So let's start from this item. Obviously gorgeous packaging, and ta-da! Let me come a little bit closer to the camera. This is the gorgeous Kelly ring with 4 diamonds, and this is in the rose gold. I was actually really wanted to get in yellow gold, but it's not available. I was worried that this rose gold going to be, I would say, extremely pink, because having Russian heritage, I know that Russian gold mostly is bright pink color, and I know how the rose gold is look like, but this rose gold is actually totally different. It has a pink undertone, but it's very subtle and very gentle. So let me try this ring on. Let me remove my other ring, and I have with me a weight machine, like, you know, for the gold, so that I can weight it, and it can go on several fingers, but this is the one I'm gonna show you on. Make sure that it's actually, so this is how it looks like on my finger. Absolutely love it, absolutely love it. You can see I can try to put on several other fingers. For instance, it could be on this finger. Really cute. I mean, there is lots of possibilities. It can go on my left hand, it can go on my right hand. What I learned also that with Hermes jewelry you get also certificate, because I thought that they don't give any certificate, and that's how it comes. Obviously it comes in the envelope, and in this certificate it says that it's certificate for precious metal and diamonds, and it specifies that, let me just put my glasses on to show you. So it specifies that it has a diamonds, it has a 4 diamonds, roughly about 0.02, and let me see if it says that it's a very VVC diamonds, and the color between F and G. I hope it does it show somewhere the yes, and it says that it's and it has a stamp right here, stamp of the boutique that it's been purchased and the date of purchase. Really interesting, because somehow I thought before that Hermes doesn't have any certificate for their jewelry, but apparently yes, they do. There is a certificate for their jewelry. And let me actually weight this ring, and then obviously I'm gonna insert most likely some kind of clip where I'm trying to weight it. But So the weight of this ring is 6.1 gram in comparison to Cartier Justin Clou, the full size, like I mean the big size. Justin Clou is 7.7. It's a little bit less than Justin Clou, but obviously you can see that they're different in size, 100%. But I thought actually it's gonna weigh a little bit less, so it's actually quite substantial. I was surprised that it's actually so substantial. So this was my item number 1. Very happy with this purchase, and obviously looking to many years using this gorgeous ring. And as I said, it doesn't look as yellow. So let's say if I'm gonna put together with my Cartier, so, and it doesn't look extremely like rosy pink. It's very subtle pink, so you can see when I'm putting together with my Cartier. Cartier is obviously quite yellow, but this one is very subtle, very subtle pink. So extremely happy with this purchase, and let's continue with my second unboxing. My second unboxing in this gorgeous box, and I'm almost getting addicted to these items. Like, let's open up. And you're already guessing that it's Hermes CDC. And this is in the thinner version of CDC. This is my third one, smaller version of CDC, because I have 2 of the big one. Let me actually remove these, so when I'm gonna try it, and I have 3 of these. So this is my third one. Let me put it on, and the color of this leather is Nata. Let me actually put it on, and then I will show and tell. So this is the bracelet. So this is the bracelet. Absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. And I think it's a perfect for the summer months. So the color is Nata, and I was asking if I could try in gray color, and my essay showed me the gray color. Gray color is very beautiful, but I find it's I would say I really like Nata a little bit better when they're together with gray. I find that Nata is a little bit softer white, let's put it this way. It's a little bit softer white, and specifically with yellow gold hardware, I find that Nata looks better. Also I want to talk about sizing. When it comes to the full size CDC, I always choose T2, and my wrist roughly about 16 centimeters. But when it comes to the thinner version, and it's my personal liking, I like it loose. Like, see, I put it already in the middle, and it's really loose, and that's how I like it, because I don't really like it what should I put it, like, you know, I don't really like when it's completely stick to the skin, especially in the summer months. And this type of the bracelet I mostly wear in summer, and this bracelet thinner version I always take it in T3, and I have already 3 of them. So you can see I have this Nata, I have gold, and I have black. I have black with the palladium plated, gold with the gold, and Nata with the gold. Really love all these 3. And when it comes to the thicker version of CDC, I have them 2. I have gold with gold and E2 with the palladium plated. Both of these bracelets are in T2. So once again, it's my personal preferences, but T2 would have looked as well nice, but I choose T3 in this size. And the last, certainly not least item in this unboxing, it's my new Hermes lipstick. It's my first Hermes lipstick. I hope obviously that I'm gonna like it, So but anyway, let's unbox it together. Oh, that's how it's open. So that's how it's open. And it has its own dust bag. So cute. And that's how it looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me once again make sure that it's focusing on lipstick, not on my face. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And let me open up. And this is Rouge Ash, or Rouge H, Rouge Ash in French lipstick. And that's what I have right now on my lips, because almost a year ago on my visit to Hermes, I got the sample and tried it at home. It's not that every day I wear such a bright lipstick, but occasionally I want it. And I really like how it closes. You can hear it. So it has almost kind of like a magnetic casing. So it's very, very secure. So it's not going to open inside your purse and, you know, smear all over the inside of the purse. Really, really happy with this purchase. And as I said, I really love their Rouge Ash color. It has almost like a black undertone, and when I spoke with the SA, she's actually quite knowledgeable in colors. She said yes, there is a little bit of black in this color of the red. Really, really love it. Looking forward to using this lipstick for many, many special occasions. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up. If you like my channel in general enough, please consider subscribing. And I guess that's it for today, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.